So guys, this topic is all about using blending modes in a different layers. Fine. So the point is the three divided part of the area. It means the foreground, midground, and the background. Okay. We will enhance and decrease or increase the relative lightness or brightness of the particular image through a different layers, and with that layers we will use the blending modes. So this is this session about. We will not use any kind of adjustment layer. I just try to show you how the different layers with the different color gradings added with the different blending modes creates or enhance your image in just a moment. Let's see. So I'm taking a new layer from this box. I will take a relative darkness, I mean gray stone. First we will make it a multiply. I'll take a brush. It's too much. Less the opacity. Okay. Now in this layer I have used the darker tone, right? So I will use foreground underscore dark tone. Again take a new layer. I want to enhance this particular area. I will select this to lighten. Fine. I will take another layer, increase the color towards the white. Now I will blend this. Fine. This is my lighter portion with a vivid light. So I will write it down. Right. I don't need that. So I will write down midground light. So look, you see how you can express with it. So again I will take a new layer. I will take this color, new layer, brush, decrease the brush. Okay, again I will blend it. Look, dissolve gives some like greeny effects. Multiply, color burn will make it more vibrant. Look, fine. So not this. This is screen, no screen. Overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, no linear light, pin light. It gives me nice effects. Okay. Now I will take this color BG, I mean background underscore enhance light. Again I take the colors Again I will blend it. So all of my focus is in now in this particular area. I will take another layer, then I will take a white kind of color. 1, 2, 3. Let's blend this. Soft light. You can drag that into some different way, like here, here. Yes, nice. So look, so what is the image basically? The image looks like this with only blending modes. This darker tone, I have multiplied it, so it gives you this kind of effects. Some darker foreground effect, then midground light, fine, then the background enhance light, then this, fine, then a bit a catch light. That's it. Clear. So this how you can use all the blending modes. You can keep them in a group, separate group, that you can easily remember or find out what modes you are using or not. Fine. So I hope you understand. If any questions, please leave us a message. We will there, right there, not there. We will right there in that moment to guide you. Fine. So don't hesitate to ask questions. Ask more, no more. That's it. Bye bye.